Very good morning, children. If you have the book, I need you to take out your book at page number 18, chapter number 3, Daisy the cow. Only if suppose you don't have your book, then look into my screen. Okay? Okay, so I start my class. Chapter number 3, Daisy the cow. Jim likes the animal on Aunt Katie's farm. As you can see in the picture, children, a small boy is there. His name is Jim, and he is standing on his auntie's farm. Auntie's name is Katie. Aunt Katie's farm, and he likes all the animals there in the farm. He likes Casper, the big dog. Can you see the dog in the picture? His name is Casper, and Jim likes Casper. He likes the noisy hens and the sheep. Jim also likes the noisy hens and the sheep in the farm. But there is one animal Jim is afraid of. Now in the second picture you can see Jim is telling that I am afraid of this animal. He says, I am afraid of the bear with the horns. He says that this animal which is there in the picture, it is a bear with horns. And why he is afraid of this animal? It stares at me with great brown eyes. Stares means to look at one place continuously. Okay, in Hindi we say घूरना. Okay, वो उसको घूरता था dark brown eyes से. So it stares at me with great brown eyes, and it makes a loud noise, and also that bear makes a loud noise. Aunt Katie says, that isn't a bear, that's my good cow, Daisy. So auntie is telling him that animal is not a bear, it is a cow, and it is my good cow. Why it is good? Daisy, he won't hurt you. She is telling that he will not hurt you. Who will not hurt? The cow. But Daisy makes a loud noises at me. Now Daisy is the name of the cow, and Jim is telling that Daisy makes loud noises at me, says Jim. Aunt Katie says, no, that's Daisy mooing loudly. It's time to milk her. So Aunt Katie says that he is not shouting at you. That cow is not shouting at you. That is mooing loudly. Why? Because it is time to milk her. That means the cow is calling that aunt towards her. Okay. So that cow is calling auntie to milk her. And what Jim thought? That the Daisy is making loud noises at him. Aunt Katie's sit on a little stool beside Daisy. Now what did Aunt Katie do? She brings a stool and sit beside Daisy. Slowly, Jim walks up and stands beside Daisy. Now before Jim was very afraid of Daisy, but now he walks slowly and go towards Daisy. She makes a soft moo sound, and when now Jim went towards Daisy, what does the Daisy do? She is making soft moo sound when he pats her. You know what is patting, children? Every day we pat ourselves for reading properly or studying properly. So now here Jim is patting the cow Daisy, and when he is patting the cow is making soft moo sound. I am not afraid of Daisy now, Jim tells Aunt Katie. Now when Jim started patting the cow, he is not afraid of Daisy anymore, and he is telling to his aunt that I am not afraid of Daisy anymore. And you can see in the picture he is touching the cow. He can touch only the cow when he is not afraid of. If he is afraid of, he will not go to him. So now Jim is not afraid of the cow. Have a look at the new words children. Farm, F-A-R-M, farm. Farm is a place where we keep different animals like hen, sheep, cow or dog maybe. Hen, everybody knows what is hen. Horns, H-O-R-N-S, horn. Horns, in Hindi we say sing. Okay, you can see in the picture the cow is having 2 horns, that is sing. Loud, L-O-U-D, loud. Loud means जोर से. Noise, N-O-I-S-E, noise, आवाज. Okay, loud noise, जोर से बोलना या चिल्लाना. It's time, I-T-S, it's T-I-M-E, time. It's time. It's time means like it's time for lunch, means now we are going to have lunch. Generally we have lunch at 1 o'clock, or it's time for dinner. At what time we have dinner? Generally at 8 o'clock or maybe 9 o'clock at night. So it's time means किसी चीज का time होना. Stool, S-T-O-O-L, stool. Stool is a thing which we can sit on. You can see in the picture the auntie is sitting on the stool. P-A-T, pat. Pat on your back. Now all of you know what is pat. I have already told you, pat on your back. Afraid, A-F-R-A-I-D, afraid. I repeat, A-F-R-A-I-D, afraid. Afraid means डरना, किसी चीज से डर लगना. Stairs, S-T-A-R-E-S, stairs. I told you already to look at one particular place for a long time. घूरना. Okay? So this is all for today, children.